Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add your Coinbase card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Coinbase app on your device and locate the card section. From there, you will find an option to add your card to a digital wallet. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity, which might involve a text message code or biometric scan. This ensures your account security throughout the process. Once verified, your Coinbase card details will automatically transfer to your Apple Wallet. Take a moment to review all the information displayed to ensure it is correct. You can then choose to set your Coinbase card as your default payment method for convenience. This makes it easy to use for everyday purchases with just a tap of your device. Now that your Coinbase card is an Apple Wallet, you can use it for secure purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To make a payment, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or the appropriate button on your Apple Watch. Then, authenticate your purchase quickly and easily using Face ID or Touch ID for added security and peace of mind. Adding your Coinbase card to Apple Wallet offers secure and convenient transactions, letting you pay with ease. You can also continue to track your spending and manage your card settings directly within the Coinbase app. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This integration simplifies your crypto spending, making it as easy as using any other card in your digital wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.